Ebusuya MPP no nipa bebre ne busa say MPP aban ba ye no enyinam kanea no ahoden dodo san no mo de ka ho ende me pese me kirewo eye MPP body mbo mo bo eye enyinam ahoden no ene enema anase ahoden dodo mo de ka Ghana enyinam ahoden ho hanom Ghana Nsem TV me di am jeso any promise me de ba be kirewo video evidence with the number of megawatt MPP aban no they be the energy sector no. Now video no ewa message so jam to ase ne we tena ase ne wa hwe video ni na kwakosi na wa tin komana me wa be na ase yi because Ghana fo bebre no etai buta sa ase mo yi say MPP aban ne ba ye no enyina mahoden no ahoden do san na ode kan wan de ama light no aye stable because NDC for tai ka so no mo so video so ansa no mo ko anytime ne ba kwakoye research ya na be sa video e di acho na wan yere wonye bi ahwe na be wo chena be ko shi obi na so no kasa obetimi enya bi e di acho no de ya dance na busuyen bon wi on konko video evidence with the number of megawatts MPP aban no e de be ka Ghana nyam nkande na ho ne ewie ne ye ba be di nkomo e wo ho me make sure so be like nso na uwie nso na wa share na wa chwa nso comment section na busuya yen kombra.
It is possible abusuafo me say MPP aban ba ye sector bia ni wa wanya adwuma pa e wo ho ena me de mo kwa ye energy sector ye nyenam kanea adwuma pa MPP aban ebe ye ma ye nyenam kanea na ene agina so mencharo ma mefa mkotema we ye 200 megawatts and 515 combined cycle power plant NPP aban eye tema enu nie ye no enu this phone so le o say how many megawatts ena NPP aban e de be ka ye nyenam kanea no abusafo enu nie musumi busam say how many megawatts ena musumo de be ka ye nyenam kanea no President Mama ekofa car power ebai car power no okofa bai no yembusa say car power no akade ana wo se nkode car power no emani adwuma ore kan wana ayese obi ya ifro ne edum light no nipa kro akwan generator no kan bai no na fu anim ana watuma to fu angum ama generator no anya adwuma buchafo we de na ebituma koso ana sa na car power no eyeye akade ana wo se nkode kan no ya timi afan kan wa ma car power na anya adwuma eti MPP anwuma pa ombeye no energy sector no anu na etwagu no eye MPP ensano edoso ntima me mbubo ne tew emamo ma me fa mo ko upper west we eye kalio we ye phase 2 of 15 megawatts peak solar power plant NPP aban eye ne kalio NPP aban hu se ye wi na ebo no ebogu kwa enti wo se ye solar ebeboa ama ye nyenam kanea no atimagina so enu so na etwagu no eye MPP ensano enye NDC fo etiminye mesi de bia me ka se adwuma pa MPP aban be ye ne Ghana aban bia nye bida de bia me true challenge enso NDC fo no etimigba eno so ena etwagu ma me fa mo nko Accra we eye central bulk supply pointer NPP aban eye no Accra eno so ni we eye 161 kilovolt bulk NPP aban eye no Accra eno so ni nti MPP aban adwuma be ne de me say aban bia enye bida eno na etwagu no afei ma me fa mo nko Laura we eye 6.5 megawatt solar power plant NPP aban no Laura eno so nie me say awia no MPP aban say o ma ne mbongu kwa obeye bibi ama na boa ye nyenam kanea no eno so na etwagu no we eye NPP aban ene betumaye nye NDC aban eti obi ka se sector ben na NPP aban ebe bia wo de mame mu enhu no comment section wo sector a opese me kasa fa wo fa beto me comment section me ba be kasa fa wo eno so na etwa egu no abusuafo afei NPP aban ene Burkina Faso eye project bia eye interconnection project between Ghana and Burkina Faso we a 225 kilovolt from Bogatanga to Burkina Faso we a Burkina Faso aban NPP aban ene kabuma omoye said ye beya ye nyina nkane efiri ha ekoho ebegina so na ye kamadi ena MPP aban ene Burkina Faso eye ya enu na etwagu no we eye MPP aban ne beya NDC aban betima ya na NDC aban ye betima ye we from Bogau to Burkina Faso enuna etwagun abusuafo say fe say fe when say esrim mantamu de ye ni Burkina Faso no ye share border nti NPP aban ene yeye afi the largest bulk electricity supply pointer NPP aban en Pukuyase enusini NPP aban ene yen Pukuyase we aye 330 over 34.5 kilovolt supply pointer NPP aban eye we are the largest one, the largest bulk NPP aban eye said ye beya ye nyinam kanea no e betima sipi asita ena NPP aban eye we ebe supply the whole Ghana we no ebe supply the whole Ghana across the country ena NPP aban eye enu na etwagun abusafo NPP aban ambe diagro me se NPP aban ambe diagro ena afi mamemfa monko transmission line NPP aban from Kumasi to Bogatanga NPP aban hu se mbehu ECG fo po bi esisi wo a omode dade na ye ahoma ne nam so no we bo se sisi muram ten NPP aban na ye NPP abreso ena ye NPP aban commission Kumasi from Kumasi to Bogatanga said the beya ye nyenam kanea no from a free Kumasi ekusi boga ebeye kamanti ena NPP aban ye mowe NPP aban eno moye from Kumasi to Bogatanga ti NPP aban NDC for sorry amosi NPP aban ye hwe na busa for transmission line NPP aban ye enusuniye iti me say NPP duma pa ombe ne kan han aban bia nye bida aban bia so ntimi nye bida this fourth republic aban bia nye bida eti yenuanum NDC for no propaganda no me say me mama hu say propaganda no enye ne de politics propaganda no mesi anu kwan eti NPP duma pa ombe ye no aban bia nye bida eti wo like page you like na share na ma unu anya bi hwe ne yenuanum NDC for no ye deda wanya bia ka kire na me kai delegate for no say Dr. Baumia eda oba ojano konkron number 3 etu mu kotoma na Dr. Baumia ena de Ghana ebeko bosha asase nso inshallah it is possible.
All right, my mom akwa biom ensan from Braga na Nsem TV so me gidi sa watch video no aba na te see no de wonya dance ya obetime di anam na wo de aye wo debate wo argument bia opesa wo ye se obi hia no busa wo say MPP ba ye no enyama hoden no ode how many megawatts ne kan ho a ubetimenya ebi ede ya dance. You see, it is very important for you to know as a member of the New Patriotic Party and a citizen of this country. You need to know party now within the channel. In Namuhamoden, you do whatever can. And that's the reason why I had to do this video today, so that you also have something to say. You also have something to talk about whenever Usi or Bina and come on, and the person is trying to let you understand that everything that we are enjoying today is because of what the NDC did in their first term, and I'm here on the first term. This is a video evidence to prove to you that MPP also added a lot of megawatt to it, and you've already watched the video and now you have all the details. I don't need to mention it for you again, but I want you to understand that the New Patriotic Party as a political party in the or making sure say the energy sector no ebe stable na Ghana and Kenya no etimagina soma wanya bi ede di wodwuma bi awye dem woody as a citizen of the country. So this is to tell you that the New Patriotic Party in the no wambambe with stiska wambambe tuske ngunemo no ska obaye no obeto ye no odi yempuntu djuma odi yenwuma mfaso be den ebeba so a ene menu na no yehu. And I told you, I've been telling you people say the works are MPP aban no eye no. There is no government and a bit me know how to talk. This is just the energy sector. Tomorrow I'll be bringing you the health sector, the school, the education sector, roads, infrastructure. We'll be bringing you all this project for you to know. The number of projects the MPP government, a year. So today I just came to show you a video evidence of the projects the government has done, the MPP government did when they were in office. And see, if you know, me person will be able to start questioning because now I've given you the video evidence, project when it was started, when it was completed, maybe I war. What you see? Time you start here, time you here, maybe you project near then a war. Mama only na. What you see? Mama only na. So now you can verify it. You can go and search for it because I've given you where the project is. What do I say? So now you don't need someone to come and tell you. You don't need someone to come and argue with you that your government did not add any megawatt to the energy sector. Now you have the video and you have the evidence to prove to them that your government actually added megawatts to the energy sector. And that's the reason why today you have a stable electricity in the country. The MPP government is a government or the action. So everything that they did, they looked at the future. They didn't just thought about the present, but the future was also very important to them. So everything that they did, they thought about the future. That's the reason I catch you say, when it comes to policy making, when it comes to governing the country, the rates are MPP for no drain or mine. There is no way the NDC can compare themselves to it. And that's facts. That is facts. Facts, to say I did be a model, no matter what you do, it is the facts. What did I mention? I say? So, no arguments about this. There is no two ways about it. You cannot argue about this because we've shown you evidence of everything that's Ayaka. We've shown you evidence of every beer can be. So there is no reason say we argue biom. There is no reason. All right. How you gonna same TV? So they make an oba make you so be like na share. Now share my wadam for being so santimate and tin can be. Dey am just so any promise. Abusuya asemaba. Many will say the farmers announced boycott of 2025 Farmers Day celebration over worsening food crisis. Many will say the Ghana mamani papa mua omudo kuya for say 2025 Farmers Day no enya ade ombeko san say afie wo mu ide enuane nsem ho aye din a kire say ebiom baby anya yiye mahama aban yi ba ye okolanche say edwuma pause wan yi nyina no entimi amboa ama this year Ghana enuane nsem na entimi ankoso hwe last year that compare this year utimu say ndc aban ne ba ye no agric ministry no nya de omo bibia e de boy enuane wa na ma memo kwayefo a mo say this year nya de Farmers Day no ombe attend way update amensa kam di free Ghana Farmers Association no ma me de April